Hey guys, it's Jazmine here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a trendy video. I've seen a lot of people do this recently. It is called I Try to Follow Blank Makeup Tutorial. So you basically follow like a beauty guru's makeup tutorial. Sorry, my phone. And a beauty guru named Thomas Halpert, I believe, started this challenge. So thank you, Thomas Halpert, for starting this challenge for me. I am going to be trying to follow AINA'S makeup tutorial. So she is one of my favorite beauty gurus. So let me pull out her channel real quick. Let me show y'all. Okay, so sorry that I don't have like a professional little video like everyone else does that like you can see it like the entire time, but this is how I'm going to be doing it on my iPad. So this is her channel right here. Hopefully this is in focus. But this is her channel. I literally, I love her channel. She always keeps it real on her channel. She's just really inspiring, and so I decided to do one of her looks today. And so the look that I decided to do is the Jaclyn Hill X Morphe palette video she did. The only reason I picked this video because I had the Jaclyn Hill palette, so I, could do the eyeshadow. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do like everything with like the concealer and everything the same because she has PR packages, she has money. I do not. So we're gonna just be pushing it through, doing whatever we can, finessing a little bit to make it work. So.
Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Jazmine. Thank you so much for joining me on today's video. First, we're gonna start with base.
Oh, we're starting with the base.
Foundation from myself. This is a very matte, and I would say about medium coverage foundation. You guys have seen this process of.
Alright, so she's first starting out with foundation. Alright, so, I don't have YSL money, so I'm just going to use my Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation. And so I see she's using a brush with this foundation, so of course I'm going to use my brush. I don't have that same exact NYX one, but I do have one that's kind of like it. Of course, my Y6 brush from Morphe. That foundation is not that full of coverage, so I'm not going to put that much on so it looks the same amount of coverage.
For the first time in the history of forever,
She already has her contour done.
Shape Tape. This is actually not my first time using this concealer, but as you guys.
Alright, well, I don't have the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and I already see that she has contour already put on, so I'm just gonna use my NYX contour stick. I don't even know if this is my shade. Oh yeah, this is my shade, yeah.
Shame on you.
I haven't used this in a while, but I wanted to use it today.
You fooled me, we can't get fooled again.
And now, I know she likes to layer concealers, and I know the Tarte Shape Tape is very full coverage, so this is my most full coverage concealer, the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and she put it down real far. She put it all the way down here. And brought it out very far. So. Oh, I forgot. She put some on her lip, above her lip, so I'm gonna put some on her lip. Beauty Bakery one, so I'm gonna use my Airspun powder. She put a lot. And she likes to leave it on for a while too, I know that, so we'll get it. This is a lot of powder. Oh my lordy! And then she put some underneath her jawline. I've never done this before, but we're gonna try it today.
This is a shadow base.
Oh.
A little bit of that into my legs.
Alright. I have no idea what eyeshadow base she's using, but I already know I don't have it. I'm using the one by Smashbox.
So we're going to take this color here and my NYX blending brush, one of my favorite blending brushes for the crease. And
Okay, so she first started on the outer corner of her crease. Okay, so then she started blending it outward. Okay, so this eyeshadow base from Smashbox, she did not set her eyeshadow base, and this one I usually do set, and it's getting really sticky and really annoying.
Thoughts on it. Now I'm going to take this color here. It reminds me a lot of Plumage from MAC, and I'm going to be blending that on the inside, outside. We're going to do the halo thing.
Okay, so it looks like she is stamping the color down first on the outer corner and inner corner.
Yovi made this record.
She says that she has fallout, but I almost see no fallout, so I'm gonna use this one by Morphe, the Morphe M433. So just gonna blend that out.
Real tea is that this color right here, right next to the emerald jade, I'm going to take that. And first, I'm going to apply it dry. I'm going to give it a fair shot on its own. And then if it's not doing what I want it to do, I'm going to wet the brush a little bit. And
so she's using like a weird kind of brush. She's kind of using like a flat, fluffy brush. And that's weird. And then she like kind of blended the color on the lid instead of like packing it on the lid. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I actually used this color in my last tutorial Tuesday, so it'll be up in this little bar and also at the end of the video if you guys want to check that out. Ooh.
with that first burnt orange color and just kind of, you know.
Okay, alright, now she went back in with the first orangey pinkish color. This look is really pretty.
The Zulu Fringe Liner from ColourPop. I'm going to align my top lash line. You totally can skip the step or stick to black if you want, but I just like doing fun stuff with pastels, especially when I have fun, bright color for hair colors. And we're gonna queen it out, girl.
Alright. Well, I don't have that color or anything like that, but I do have a white liner, which I kind of want to do, and hopefully I don't mess this up. Okay, that's done. That looks really good.
So I'm gonna take this color. This is slightly more of a fiery burnt orange. Got a little bit more red, and put that on. Whoa. Not expecting that much color down.
Okay, so she's taking that really bright red shade that I love and putting that underneath her eyes.
There's an old saying in Tennessee, I know it's in Texas, probably in Tennessee, that says, fool me once, shame on.
She went ahead and dusted away all of her bake.
Can't get fooled again.
Finally, oh my lord, I needed this. Oh, there's a white cast, there's a white cast.
My lashes are on, so I'm a whole new woman now.
Oh. Alright, well she put on some lashes. She didn't say what lashes, so I'm gonna just put on the Allure Definition number 126 lashes.
A little bit of this fun shimmery gold and our tear duct, just a little bit.
This is gonna be a little bit too dark for my inner tear duct, I think. But we'll see. Yeah, because she's a little bit darker than me, so this color looks a little bit like really dark.
Now I'm powering up with a little bit of my in-mom face powder, just like in the center of my face.
So I'm gonna be using the LA Girl Professional powder. She used like a powder puff, but I did not bring mine down here, and I don't really feel like it. So I'm gonna just use a brush and pat it over.
So I'm gonna take a drop of a hat Super Sharp Cheek Shadow from ColourPop. What I like about their Super Sharp Cheek both.
Okay, so that was like a kind of like a peachy but rosy color. So I'm gonna use the Tarte blush in Party.
Take the Ultra Satin Lip in the shade Strip, which is a nice kind of peachy nude.
And now she said she's wearing a peachy nude matte lipstick, and I really don't have like a peachy nude matte lipstick. I know that's her favorite, but I'm going to use this one by Sephora in the color 23.
With a little bit of hangover spray. Why not?
Good. I am so happy she used some setting spray. That is it for this video today. So my thoughts on her, you know, her style of makeup. I actually really like her style of makeup because I literally like watch her videos all the time and like try to learn from her. So yeah, that's why I chose her to do one of her looks today. The only thing I did not like is how long she kept on the bake. And if I did not drench my face in setting spray today, my face would look really powdery and really gross because I have a lot of blackheads and clogged pores right around here, and that's where I put most of the bake. So it was looking a little crusty. There's nothing that I really hated or disliked really about her makeup routine, just the fact that I wasn't used to some of the things that she was doing. Thank you, Jackie Ina, for creating this look. Thank you for always inspiring me. And so if you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give this a like and also subscribe to my channel down below. And if you guys want to see more of me, then come back on Tuesdays and Thursdays. On Tuesdays, I do Tutorial Tuesday, where I just do a really creative, dramatic, crazy look, whatever I feel like doing that week. And then on Thursdays, I just do some random videos. I can do fashion, workout videos, stuff like this, where I create other people's makeup looks. And so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!